idea what type of nutrition, what type of dessert I'm going to have, so follow me. Hi, I'm Baj Fitness.
Oh, I'm Abby.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too.
Just wondering, I'm travelling around game places, and I'm in the one of the golf places, and I'm close to it, and I tell you, what do you recommend me for a healthy option?
In here?
Yeah.
Well, we've got a couple of smoothies, which kind of use like frozen fruit, fresh fruit juices, that kind of thing. We have got protein shakes, we do vanilla and strawberry protein shakes. We can also do some of our crepes. We can do like fresh fruit, fresh bananas, we don't have like flakes, that kind of thing.
Do you like desserts as well, cakes and stuff, or is it just...
Yeah, well really here it's more like ice cream, cake, so obviously it's really kind of healthy options, kind of.
So what's the best choice on the protein shake? What would you recommend for protein? What flavours you do?
I probably, vanilla's probably the most popular one, but my personal favourite is strawberry, so I'm more of a fruit person.
Chocolate as well, can you see?
We have got chocolate, yeah, but actually at the moment I've just run out, so...
Can I have a vanilla protein powder?
Yeah, sure.
Peanut butter.
Yeah?
So, shake. This just as for pure nutrition. You have a supposed to work out with the fruit and along with it.
Yes, so we're doing quite a few people coming in on the way to the gym that want to get a couple of food.
Yeah.
So we get people coming in afterwards as well, and protein shakes, that kind of thing. So I think it kind of really depends on what you want to do with your workout and that kind of thing.
Well, we're not for winning combination, so I've got for the vanilla peanut butter rather than the chocolate. So
Vanilla protein shakes, peanut butter.
give it a tester.
What do you think?
Winning combination, so it's
Yeah.
good. Yeah, it's good. I like it. How will they get in contact with you?
So on Facebook you can find us at Creams Upminster, or on Instagram or on Twitter you can find us at Creams Cafe.
Sounds great. Anyway, please subscribe to me on my link below, everything, and I enjoyed this. See you in the next video. Anyway, take care.